think the most important part is people need to like let go that I can do it by myself or I'm smart enough to do this thing by myself and get some help in the beginning. You
Yeah.
know, I worked with y'all 6, 7 months straight, and then we just started this up again.
Hmm.
You gotta be humble. Like, you know what? I've been me for 40 years. I've been me for 38 years or 35 years in this shit, and I'm fat now. So I need help. Let me shut up. Let me ask Naj and the team, what do you want me to do? And just do it. Like, you tried it your way all these years. Try it somebody else's way, you know. And that's when I got my breakthrough. I just shut the hell up and just did what I was told. Um, that's what people got to do. Start this off. Don't second guess it. Put in at least a good. I know money funny, you know what I'm saying? Naj work with me, you know, sometimes. Uh, but you gotta put in at least 6 months.
Yeah,
Am I right, bro? At
you
least.
took the words right out of my mouth. Like, that's so true because you are the product of your habits and what you've built up to this day. Everything you've done in your past has gotten you to where you are currently right now, which is your physique, the way you look. So if it's not a physique that you're happy in, then that means that you probably should reach out to someone that specializes in that can help expedite the process, but teach you how to maintain it and do the things consistently and build better habits, right? Which is key, which is
Yeah.
clutch. So I 100% agree.
You
We think we
gotta just
can,
let go and let God. Or
yeah.
let go and let Naj. One of let go and let
Oh God,
Naj.
that's hilarious.
Y'all gotta let go. Like, you tried it your way, tried another person's way. Um, yes, it costs money, but it's like I I don't go on dates like that. And until I get to the body that I want and get to where I need to be financially and physically, because let's say if I get there financially and I'm sitting there, I'm a big old fat slob, ain't nobody gonna want me. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Or I'm unhealthy, or I got sick, or I got diabetes, or I got pre-diabetes. You know what I'm saying? So it's
Mhm.
like, stop what you're doing, invest in your physical health, and create a early morning routine, and the rest of the stuff will just start working. Like all that stuff we was ready, get up. It's, you know, your mom got you out the bed early, your grandparents, that shit actually works. Get up early, make your bed, go over your day, look at your built by plants plan. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got everything in the kitchen and get going. And,
Yeah.
and do not try to figure out a way to do it your damn self. You know,
Mhm.
that's a lot of people do that. Oh, I know I got it. Nah, no.
Mhm.
You can figure it out after 6 months.
Yep.
After you done put in, you know, you gotta get in them first good 6 months. And
Yeah, man. Finding a new way of being, which essentially is what coaching is, you're reaching out to figure out how you can instill some better behaviors and some different things you can implement into your life. And the goal, which is to teach you how to apply these things for the rest of your life so that you don't need coaching forever, unless you have specific goals that you want to keep progressing. Okay, I made it this far, now it's for the next phase and the next phase, it's things like that. But
like,
you're, hmm,
like, why am I back?
exactly,
Like, why am I
exactly.
back right?
The
I'm
next
back because I
phase.
got this section.
Yep.
You know, I tried my way. I'm back. I gotta get this. I can't do it. I gotta
Exactly,
get the
man.
stomach off.
Exactly.